Good morning, welcome back to MotoGP headquarters here in Barcelona, the second edition of 2019 for African Flag. I'm Matt Burns, joining me again today is Neil Morrison to run you through some exclusive coverage of 2019 for African Flag. I'm Matt Burns, joining me again today is Neil Morrison to exclusive coverage for that 156.921. Well, today it's been so close. As we just mentioned, the top 19 riders covered by less than 1 second. The top 4 riders, Andrea Dovizioso, KOCLOK,
last 7 years has been first or second. Rossi in pole, alongside him Maverick Vinales completing the front row. He's got a big point to prove. It's Andrea Iannone and one of our Marc Marquez and Jorge Lorenzo from the second row of the grid.
Italy holds its breath.
Red flag will be taken away. This is what we have been waiting for all weekend. The Italian Grand Prix at Mugello is underway. Looks like a really good start from Jorge Lorenzo and also from Valentino Rossi.
Yeah, it's going to start. Lorenzo made it was a shocker for Andrea Iannone. He's been with the top on the run down to San Donato. What a start by Lorenzo. He's up the inside of Valentino Rossi. Lorenzo from fifth on the grid. He's still away. From the crash at the back of the field, that's Jack Miller and Loris Baz. We've also got one of the factory pulleys down. That was Alvaro Bautista. Danilo Petrucci running it wide through Poggio Secco. Lorenzo leads though from Rossi, from Aleix Espargaro, who got a good start. Maverick Vinales had a nightmare. Vinales from the front row, down in 11th.
They plunge down through Casanova and Savelli. They come up now towards Arrabbiata 1 and Arrabbiata 2. Jorge Lorenzo, what a start from the second row of the grid. We ride with him. It's Rossi in his face. Rossi right behind us. They plunge downhill. Here they are. Arrabbiata 1 up to Arrabbiata 2. That
Sure.
it's very different.
Lap of the race. Oh, Zarco's gone down at turn 2. Well, the dream is that. Mixed starts here today. Lorenzo from 5th.
Those right-handers. Rossi started the lap very strongly. There is the crash for Bradley Smith. A bit more easily now. We're probably going to have a look at the crash. Ooh.
Is it? The grid. Dovizioso already up in the 6th place.
I tell you what, Rossi will have a go at Lorenzo because he knows better than anybody. If Lorenzo gets into the rhythm at the front, he's not going to be beaten. Rossi's going to have to 4 and 5.
Oh, you know he's gone down, just as he did in the race last year. It's on the opening lap. Some absolute nightmare starts went on from the front row of the grid. It was Lorenzo that got an absolute flyer. Johnny Hernandez was too keen to get off the line. He's jumped the start, the Colombian Bautista.
Up the inside comes Lorenzo on Maverick Vinales. Oh, he takes Tommy out, he takes Vinales out, he takes Rossi out, he's taken everyone out. Jorge Lorenzo has gone from hero to absolutely lower than zero. Jorge Lorenzo, what have you just done?
Up the inside, trail breaking into turn 10, and this man, well, I bet he can't believe his luck.
Stop the race now and restart.
I mean, what a mess.
Jorge Lorenzo up the
into the first corner, round well wide. Lorenzo back into the lead. Aleix Espargaro doing a great job to hold off Marc Marquez. Dani Pedrosa now up in the 5th. What about Maverick Vinales? Still down in 11th place. Iannone fell back to 10th.
Could have been worse for Rossi. I thought, as you say, he was disappearing into the car park, but he's actually...
Whether he got caught out, or, whether Iannone maybe just had a 39. Oh, he's down, Marquez!
Oh, Marquez has crashed.
He's pushed too hard.
1.5 laps, Todd. Jump start as we see there.
Rossi now glued to the back wheel of Jorge Lorenzo. This is down into Scarperia.
The front did wash away, but the rear twitched a little bit just before then, didn't it? Now he's got to do the attacking. They bottom out at Arrabbiata 1, up to Arrabbiata 2. Half a lap to go here in Mugello. What a ride by Marquez.
Marc Marquez has got all bases covered so far. No way through for Jorge Lorenzo at Scarperia, and then through Pelagio. Marc Marquez will then drop down the hill to Carantaio, heading for his 3rd win of the season. Lorenzo though won't let him have it without a fight. Not close enough to attack at turn number 12. Lorenzo's going to try and line him up for a move out of beyond exit. Can he get close enough to attack on the brakes at the final?
Yes.